Buy, bought, choose, chosen, catch, caught, come, come.
Hello English learners! One of the most difficult things in learning English is memorizing the irregular verbs. One effective way to memorize the irregular verbs is with song. Here, I have a song of irregular verbs that I hope it can help you to memorize them more easily. Let's check this out.
Be was were been, become, became, begin, began, begun, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, bring, brought, build, built, burst, burst. Buy, bought, choose, chosen, catch, caught, come, come, cut, deal, do, did, done, dream, dreamt. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing the song. Remember the words, you won't get them wrong. Irregular verbs are so easy with the song. Drink, drank, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feel, felt, fight, fought, find, found, fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forgive, forgiven, freeze, froze, frozen, get, got, give, gave, given, go and gone, grow, grew, grown, have, had. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing the song. Remember the words, you won't get them wrong. Irregular verbs are so easy with the song. Hear, heard, hide, hidden, hold, held, hurt, keep, kept, known, laid, lead, led, leave, left, let, lie, lay, lose, lost, make, made, mean, meant, meet, met, pay, paid. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing the song. Remember the words, you won't get them wrong. Irregular verbs are so easy with the song. Put, read, read, write, wrote, ridden, rise, rose, risen, run, ran, say, said, see, saw, sin, sick, sought, sell, sold, send, set, shake, shook, shaken, shine, shone, show, showed, shown, sing, sang, sung, sit, sat. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing the song. Remember the words, you won't get them wrong. Irregular verbs are so easy with the song. Sleep, slept, speak, spoke, spoken, spend, spent, stand, stood, steal, stole, stolen, swim, swam, swing, swung, take, took, taken, teach, taught, tell, told, think, thought, through, thrown, Understand, understood, understood, wear, wore, worn, win, won, write, wrote, written. Irregular verbs are so easy when you sing this song. Remember the words, you won't get them wrong. Irregular verbs are so easy with this song.